Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how I make my own avocado and aloe vera oil. The process is very simple, and this oil is like a miracle oil. I'm just kidding. It's just like as you guys know, no oil will make your hair grow overnight, but having a really good oil on hand really help with hair growth. It help within a length, and your hair feels great and feels moisturized, because I use this oil especially in my scalp. It help with dryness. I do not apply this oil without having some type of water or moisturize on my hair. I use this oil to seal moisture, but it is very good, and it works really well for my hair. So here I am showing you how I make that oil, and if you want to try it, you are welcome to. So what I use avocado and aloe vera, tea tree essential oil, and as well as rosemary oil. And what I did, I just cut it in little pieces. I leave it, put it in the blender. If you do not have a blender, if you cut them very thin, very small, you can do that if you don't have a blender. But I let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. But one thing I would say is to keep your eyes on it, because you don't want it to be too burn. So I kind of stir it very often, and I'll make sure it doesn't really burn. You will notice when the oil try to separate themselves from the olive oil, that's when you know it's almost done. So when it's like fully done and you can actually see the oil, it looks so good. I let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so it can fully, not so hot anymore, because you're gonna use your hand to squeeze the oil out. You don't want to burn yourself, so it's really important to let it cool down fully. But I use a stocking from one of my stockings and put it in a clean bowl. And as you going to see how I actually squeeze this oil out, it smells good, it feels good. This oil really do really well for my hair. I know everybody's is different. If you like to try this oil, it's very easy to make. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'm always try to find different way DIY that I can do at home. Those ingredients that I use, I didn't have to go to the store to buy them, because I love avocado. I eat avocado very often, so I had already have that on my house. And I have an aloe vera plant that I have for a while now. But yeah, look at that, it is so good, and when you feel it, oh my god. So at this point, this is when I add my essential oil. I add like about 10 drops. You don't need that much, but tea tree oil, it make your scalp feels fresh and really nice. So I like to use tea tree oil as whenever I can, I use tea tree oil. But I added my oil, and as you going to see in the next clip, I just add them to like little bottle. I use this old bottle from that rosemary oil that I got, and it was done, so I use that same that bottle because I need that little thing that's in it to help me put the oil on my scalp. But anyway, this is my homemade avocado slash aloe vera oil. I wanted to thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you find it helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on my next video. Remember, your hair is gorgeous.